Hey, everyone. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Snapchat error, sign up temporarily disabled, step by step. Why this happens. If you're seeing this message, it usually means Snapchat has blocked new signups from your device or IP address temporarily. This can happen for a few reasons. Number 1, you've tried signing up too many times. Number 2, you're using a VPN. And number 3, Snapchat thinks your device is suspicious. Step-by-step fix. Step 1, if you're using a VPN, turn it off. Snapchat often blocks signups from VPNs to avoid spam or bots. Step 2, clear your Snapchat app cache. Go to your phone settings, find Snapchat, tap on storage, and clear the cache. Step 3, try switching your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa. This helps refresh your IP address. Step 4, if it still doesn't work, wait a few hours. Snapchat usually lifts the restriction after some time. Bonus tip, try signing up from another phone or ask a friend to create an account for you. And that's it. These tips should help you fix the sign up temporarily disabled error on Snapchat. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.